Hello students, I am Dr. Shikha Srivastava and today we will try to understand MS Office Word. Microsoft Office Word is a word processing program which allows the users to type in a page just like a paper page. It has tables, images, formatting to customize the documents. It has become basic requirement for today's office and education. So first of all, let's get familiarized with some terms related to MS Office. Like text. Text is the word and paragraph that a user types within a document. Document is a new file with several pages. Font helps to choose the design for text, number and symbol. It can be changed by selecting the text and then selecting the font from the drop-down box. In formatting, user can make many changes to documents after selecting formatting. By choosing numbering or bullets, it adds a small icon or graphic in front of the text chosen and can number the points. While selecting the option cut, it removes the text. By selecting the option copy, it copies the selected text and number. Ctrl+C also helps to do the same. By selecting paste option, it helps to paste the copied item at the selected point. Alignment helps to decide the text in the document to be in the left, in right or in the center of the page. Clipboard is a storage area where text is stored for later use in the same session. Cut copy command will help to store, and by operating a clipboard we can see what are stored in it. Edit helps in basic editing such as cut, copy, paste, undo, etc. Undo helps to go one step backward in the document. Footer appears at the bottom of every page of the document. It can be page number, name or some other detail. It can be chosen from the header footer menu. Header is in the top of the document and can be selected from the header footer menu. Command open from the file menu or Ctrl+O will provide a pop-up window to select the file to be opened. The save command, it saves all the work done in document. Save as command will save the document in new location, and save will save the document in existing file. Print command opens the window which helps to select the user the different parameters to be selected. Then a preview window helps to see the print preview, and then the user can give the final command of printing. There is always a toolbar in MS Office Word which helps to customize the text. The quick access toolbar is a small and movable toolbar at the top of the document window. It usually contains buttons to save, undo, redo, print. The toolbar can also be customized to include or remove other commands. Here we can see one example of the toolbar. We'll talk about it from left to right. First option you can see it's file, where we can have different options like save and save as, where we can save the file. Then you can see home, where we have different options of cut, copy, paste, format painter and clipboard. Next we can move to the font, where we can see there are different styles of font, different size of font. We can make it bold, in italics, in underline or square root, like we use in chemistry, like H2O we can write here, and raised to power of something we can also write it here by customizing. Then we can make it capital or small. We can color the fonts also. The next group is about the paragraph, how we can line up the paragraph in straight line, or how can we align them. The next we see the styles, how the style of the word, the capital word, etc., the headings, it will be seen here. And lastly we can see the find, replace, select and editing option. Like any other software, MS Office Word also has its advantages and disadvantages, like extreme availability. This is the first advantage. Whether you are working from home, office or school, MS Word is one of the most available software found in almost any computer. MS Word document can easily be integrated with other MS Office programs, which makes sharing of data very easy. MS Word allows you to change between reading and editing modes of a document easily and smoothly, while Read Only provides essential tools. Some major disadvantages of this program is that it is not always user-friendly. When incepted, Microsoft Word was fairly easy to use. However, in the race to add more features to expand its capabilities, having too many options on the screen with the purpose of serving as a combination desktop publisher and word processing platform, it has become complicated. Example, the ribbon update has been marked as the confusing by many users. The Microsoft Office suite as well as Word itself has been known to be very expensive. Although some may argue that it is cost effective in a long run, the fact remains that it is far from affordable. Thank you, students.